Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kuldeep here. Today we are going to learn about TDD. So TDD stands for Test Driven Development, and as a part of today's session we will see what is TDD, why we use it, and what are the benefits of using the TDD. First we will try to understand few things theoretically. Then I will explain you the concept of TDD with help of a Java program. Okay, so let's start. First let's try to understand that what is TDD. It is a programming technique used from a developer's standpoint, and it is extensively used in agile development. And there are three interconnected tasks in TDD that are coding, testing, and design. So when I am talking about testing here, so basically it is in the form of writing the unit test, and design, it is in the form of refactoring the code. Okay. So basically this technique helps us to respond the straightforward question, that is the code valid or not? Now let's see what are the different steps involved in TDD methodology. So first is based on the requirement specification documents, developer writes an automated test case. Then these test cases are executed, and in the most cases they fail as they are developed before the development of an actual feature. Okay, the development team then refactor the code for the test to pass successfully. So it may sound a bit confusing here, but I will explain it with help of one program. Then you will able to connect to the dots for this point. Okay. So here is some basic diagram for the TDD. How the things are working here. First we write the unit test, and after that we execute or run the unit test. So if it is passed, then it is well and good. But in case if test fails, then we need to refactor the code, and we need to keep refactoring the code till it gets passed. Okay, so basically this is the concept of TDD approach. Now let's see what are the benefits of TDD. Unit test proves that code actually works. It helps to reduce the amount of time required for rework, explore bugs or error very quickly. It helps us to get the faster feedback and improved quality design through refactoring. Okay, so these are the benefits of the TDD. So I'm not sure how much point you got here, but let's see one example. So I hope with the help of that things will be more clear. Okay, and you will be able to connect all these points whatever is written here. All right, so now let's try to understand this thing with the help of an example. So let's just focus on below 3 points. Here they are talking about the business requirement, and then execution, and after that refactoring of the code. Let's try to understand these things with the help of a Java program. Let me create a Java program here. TDD example. Select this public static void main, and so guys, just focus on these 3 points of requirement, execution, and refactoring. Let's say I have an integer array. Okay, and there are certain elements inside it. All right, and our requirement is that we need to get the sum of the elements which are the part of this array. So what is the outcome here? We are expecting the sum of the elements which are the part of this array. Okay, so my expectation is sum of elements in array. Okay, and let's say it is sum. Okay, let's say if I execute this program, because we have not defined this sum variable anywhere, so that's why it is giving me an error. Okay, so let's go back to this document again and see. So we are clear with the requirement, and when we are trying to execute, it is getting failed. So what we need to do? We need to refactor the code. So let's go back to our program. So let's say that I have created an integer sum with the initial value 0. So will it make any difference? No, because it will just pick the value of this integer and the sum of array is 0. Okay, but it is not correct. So again, we need to put some logic here. So basically what we are doing here, we are refactoring the code till we are able to meet the requirement. So now let's add some more logic here. So let's say I write for int I equals to 0. I should be less than array dot length. Okay, then I plus plus. We are refactoring the code here, but we are eventually not getting the desired output. So let's run it again. We are not getting the expected output here. Alright, let me add some more logic. So let's say sum equals to sum plus air of I and execute this program again. So here you can see like we are able to get the desired output as per the requirement. So the same thing is explained in this particular diagram. So here you can see like we are writing the unit test cases and running the unit test case. If it is getting passed in one go, then it is well and good. Otherwise, if the test is getting failed, then we need to keep refactoring the code unless that test gets passed. Okay. So this is the whole concept of TDD. So I hope this real-time example is also helpful to make you understand like how TDD works and what is the exact approach of using the TDD. Okay. So friends, that's it for today's video. I hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.